कोर्ट फीस भी आपका डिफेक्टिव है और आपका रेस्पोंडेंट नंबर 4 के साथ आप एलियस नेम कैसे लगाते हैं? Who's for the respondent number 4? Who's for respondent number 4? Your court fees is also due. It's a number 159 of 2015. Counsel for the appellant. Praise for is granted. Time till 19th of December to remove the surviving defects. Credit. If the defects have been removed within time, post on 9th of time. 9th को नहीं आएगा, 8th को आएगा, 9th is a Friday. Please.
Item 2, second appeal 354 of 2015.
Same order.
Item 3, second appeal 668 of 2016.
Synopsis is file and limitation petition as a valid
आपको शोभा मिलता है 2016 का केस
तो जो बना कर रखा हुआ
डिफेक्टिव
है
बना के आप इस तरह से छोड़ देते हैं
नोटिस हुआ
यू आर वेटिंग देखिए दिस इज नॉट अ सॉलिटरी केस सिस्टम है तो आई एम रियली टायर्ड ऑफ दिस 10 साल तक आप डिफेक्ट ही रिमूव करते हैं
जो आया था हम बना के रखा भी हुआ
क्यों नहीं हुआ फाइल में आपका कोर्ट फीस नहीं फाइल होता है
कोर्ट फी हो गया
नहीं कोर्ट फीस भी है इसमें
फाइल हो गया सिर्फ बाकी है सिनॉप्सिस
अच्छा सिनॉप्सिस
हाँ सिर्फ सिनॉप्सिस वो भी हम नेक्स्ट
सिनॉप्सिस
सोमवार
में
को
तो किसी को आने का भी जरूरत नहीं होता
नहीं सिनॉप्सिस हम सोमवार को फाइल करते हैं
the same order package. It's a preemptive.
Item 4, second appeal 346 of 2019.
I number 13764 of 24 has been filed. Seeking to modify the order dated 27/11/2024 and for directing the learned court below to correct the valuation made in the judgment and decree passed by both the courts. The title suit number 25 of 2001 and title suit number 2 of 2016. Office is directed to send back the judgment and decree for correction to the court concerned. Indicating the defect which is required to be removed. ID number 13764 of 2024. is accordingly disposed. Post on 8th of March. Yeah.
Item 5, second appeal 383 of 2019.
I number 158 of 2025 has been filed for ignoring/failing the certified copy of the DT under appeal to the court concerned for necessary correction. I number 138 of 2025 is allowed, and the office is directed to send for a certified copy of decree under appeal to the concerned court for necessary correction. After pointing out the defect which is to be rectified. Post on 8th of January.
Item 6, second appeal 194 of 2020.
इसमें IA 9633/2024 इसमें अपीलिंग नंबर 6 का डेट हो गया था जजमेंट पास होने के समय 17/8/2020 में, तो उनके लीगल ईयर को पार्टी बना दिया गया अपीलिंग नंबर 6 और 7 के लिए, उसी के लिए लीव के लिए और सब्स्टिट्यूशन के लिए ये पिटीशन फाइल किया गया 9633 डिफेक्ट नंबर 2
9634. 9633.
9633
When was the judgment passed?
judgment decree perhaps it is dated 23/5/2020 para 3 एक बार क्यों
Okay. And the judgment?
इनका सीधा अपीलेंट नंबर
When did he die?
अपीलेंट नंबर 6 सीधा हजाम डाइड on 17/8/2020 एक बार देख लिया जाता
Death certificate लगाएं?
नहीं उनके एक ही वाइफ है, एक वाइफ बेबी देवी है, एक साथ
बिना डेथ सर्टिफिकेट के इसका क्या रेलेवेंस?
तो गांव का एक बना ही नहीं
कॉन्सिक्वेंस आजकल तो सबका डेथ सर्टिफिकेट बनता है,
फिर पंचायत से लाना
तो लेके आइए,
ठीक
लेके आइए क्योंकि इट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस पहले मरे कि कम मरे.
नहीं फिर सिंपली उसको 2 वीक्स खाली जनवरी में कोई डेटा
ऐसे नंबर 194 of 2020 learned counsel for draft plan has submitted that who expired?
ये अपीलिंग नंबर 6 जो जजमेंट एंड अपील में 9633
नाम बताइए.
ये शिवलाल हजाम
Shigal Hajam, who was one of the appellant before the learned
यस
first appellate court, died on
17/8/2020
17/8/2020. Petition, however, the death certificate is not on record. Counsel for the appellant is granted time till 8th of January to file a supplementary affidavit annexing the death certificate.
डिप्टी
Post on 15 Jan.
Item 7, second appeal 124 of 2022.
Yes, please.
Lordship इसमें आगे करते हैं
Let us know.
Lordship is already 2A of 4 of the session of the year. Again, get कर चुके हैं Lordship, session already लोग मैंने अपने कोर्ट में फाइल दिया Lordship. ये मुझको कोई फाइल नहीं है, इसलिए मैं फाइल दिया
ये समझ आया.
2 is apply number 2A और C 4 ये दोनों डेट कर चुके हैं Lordship. यानी ट्रायल कोर्ट में हमने उसको एक पिटीशन दिया था prior to the passing of the judgment decree of the judgment here also. But no any order has been passed here also. And the staff report has pointed the defect number 3 here also. Apply number 2 and CC of the decree under appeal has not been passed here also. So we clarified it.
ID number is 9688.
96.
When did he die?
Well,
Who died when?
Lordship. Mosamat Mona Devi Lordship.
Khan.
And I thought Paravili Lordship.
ये क्या लिखे
Paraplegia.
Stamp reporter has pointed out that defect number 3 at appeal number 2A
And C
4
4.
of the certified copy under appeal has been made party in this memo of appeal.
Lordship, he has already died. I have filed the petition of substitution before the
Has been these two persons have already
all
expired.
Lordship.
You want to delete their name?
No, Lordship. All the legal head of the department also. I have taken Paraplegia Lordship.
तो वहाँ पे बिना सब्स्टिट्यूशन के जजमेंट हो गया.
Lordship. Which is substantial portion of law.
ID number 9688 of 2023 and SA number 124 of 2022. The counsel for the appellant has submitted that appellant number 2A and 4 of certified copy of decree under appeal had expired during the pendency of the appeal before the first appellate court, but no order of substitution was passed, and the improved judgment has been passed without substituting the legal years. Let the records be called for from the concerned court. बिना रिकॉर्ड के तो ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते ना. दोनों कोर्ट का रिकॉर्ड होंगे. From both the courts. Let this order be already in place. Post on 15th of January.
Item 8, second appeal 105 of 2023.
Lordship, court will shortly wait for 2 weeks time so that we can make this.
Time till 19th, 20. वो जिस सेम ऑर्डर किया ना, पोस्ट ऑन 8th of January.
Item 9, second appeal 135 of 2023.
Yes, ma'am. There is IL or something. For ignoring the defects. Which defect? One. What is defect number 1? It's a number 155 of 2023. IA has been IA number 1106.4 of 24 has been filed for ignoring each one. Para 4. Ignoring the defects लिख दिए हैं. Defect मतलब सारे defects. Then for ignoring the defects pointed out by the stamp reporter. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that essentially the player is in connection with defect number 1. As per defect number 1, suit value mentioned in certified copy of the decree in original suit within bracket title suit number 63 of 2004 differs from the certified copy of the decree in civil appeal within bracket civil appeal number 07 of 2018. Let both the decrees be sent to the concerned court for correction. The defect pointed out by the office cannot be ignored. IA number 11064 of 24 is accordingly disposed of.
और ये बस 785
अभी तो आप वो होने दीजिए. Post on 15th of January.
Item 10, second appeal 144 of 2023.
Yes.
Yes, IA has been filed, amending in the cause title. There was defect pointed out in the office regarding that some of the appellants are not party in the therefore the amendment application.
What amendment?
There is the IA number 2308.
123.
Some of the appellants who are not in the appeal order or some judgment, they have been made party, so we need to delete them there.
For respondent number 2, you say that Bharat Kumar, son of late Sattar Chaudhary, resident of Sattar, be deleted and be permitted to be added as respondent number 7. क्या मतलब है इसका? Yes? What does that mean?
Little possible, I will see them. I'm there, the people did, and they are.
Pass over कर दो।
Pass over.
देखिए जरा स्टेप क्या फाइल प्रेयर अकॉर्डिंगली पास ओवर है क्या करो
Item 11, second appeal 188 of 2023.
respect the limitation petition को further stamp submitted उसमें limitation आ रहा है
1920 post on it
Item 12, second appeal 80 of 2024.
post on it
Item 13, second appeal 81 of 2024.
पेपर में 420 पे ऑथेंटिकेशन की देना है उसको तो आपका टाइम दीजिए बाकी और इफेक्टिव
same order 19
Item 14, second appeal 84 of 2024.
same order एक ऑर्डर कोर्ट फीस का डिफेक्ट में अगर डिफेक्ट आ जाएगा ना दोबारा तो जितना का कोर्ट फीस नहीं है उसका बस 10 टाइम्स लगा के ही कॉस्ट देकर रेस्टोर करेंगे अभी हम है
कुछ कुछ क्लाइंट का वैसा हो जाता है सभी केस में
कोर्ट फीस तो आप लोग को शुरू में ही लेना चाहिए फाइल करने के बाद कोर्ट फीस क्या खोजते हैं आप
कुछ निकाल केस
Orders item 15, second appeal 142 of 2018.
IA number 142 of 2018 has been filed. Sorry, SA number 142 of 2018. 2018. IA number 1202 of 19. Filed seeking condemnation of delay in filing the argument. IA number 1200 of 19 has been filed seeking substitution of deceased respondent number 17, who is said to have expired. Deceased respondent number 17, and also for setting aside the abatement. IA number 1201 of 19 has been filed, seeking condemnation of delay in filing the petition for substitution. Let notice be issued to the proposed individuals and successors of respondent number 17. Whose details have been mentioned in paragraph 3 of IA number 1200 of 2019. And also to the respondents in the present case. Excluding respond number 17. Notice we also issued in IE number 1202 of 2019 upon the respondents and also upon the respondents excluding respond number 17 and also to the proposed legal years and successors of respond number 17. I notice we issued in IE number 1201 of 2019 to the respondents except respond number 17 and also to the proposed legal years of respond number 17. The recusals we filed to speak post by 23rd of December. Directly, office is directed to forward a soft copy of this order to the learned counsel for the appellant to ensure compliance. Office of tax speed post delivery, post on 15th of January.
Item 16, second appeal 278 of 2019.
For condonation of delay of about 122 days in filing of the appeal.
I number 7846. This is the second appeal. You argue the case on merit. If there is merit in the case, I will issue notice on limitation, otherwise I will not. Essay number 278 of 2019. A petition has been filed in IE number 7846 of 2024 seeking condonation of delay of
122 days.
122 days. The matter, at the request of the counsel for the appellant, the matter is directed to be posted on Monday. This court will take up the limitation matter after being prima facie satisfied on the point of substantiation. An appropriate order will be passed on this.
Item 17, second appeal 356 of 2019.
Yes.
So the respondent has died, madam.
When?
Notices were issued. Thus there is a certificate to that effect on 6th of March 2020.
Notice was issued on what?
Thus notices were issued on 27th of August 2024.
You have filed your petition for substitution.
No, madam, I'll have to file it because I have gone through the file, madam, it is under orders. I have gone through the file, I came to know that he has died. I have, madam, steps for notices were taken. I have to file an IE for
It's
substitution.
essay number 356 of 2019. As per the office note. He is the sole respondent.
Yes, madam.
Sole respondent has expired on 6/3/2020. Accordingly, the appeal has abated. However, the applicant seeks adjournment. कब चाहिए? अब एक तो हो चुका है ना?
वो भी फाइल करना है।
आपको जो फाइल करना है कर लीजिए। टाइम का बताइए।
4 weeks time में भी granted है।
At this request for this case on 8th of January.
9.
8th January. उस दिन तक नहीं फाइल होगा तो उस दिन हम खड़े खड़े डिस्कस करेंगे। I do not know.
Item 18, second appeal 65 of 2020.
Yes, applicant.
In IU paragraph I have 3954 Honors Committee. It is 625521. Petition of applicant number 1 legal action.
Applicant number 1. Okay. Where is the wakalatnama of proposed legal years and successors of applicant number 1? फाइल कर दिए? They all died before the passing of the appellate court's judgment.
नहीं, appellant number 1 died after filing the second appeal.
What is the date of death?
25/5/25, March 2020. Appellant number 2 and 3 and 10 and 11 of the decree, they have died before passing the judgment of title.
Were you the appellant before the appellate court or you were the respondent? You were the appellant before the appellate court.
Title.
तो आपका substitution क्यों allow कर दिया? You cannot take advantage of your own wrong.
नहीं, जो हम लोग उसको पार्टी नहीं बनाए थे, पर
पार्टी कहाँ नहीं बनाएगी?
सेकेंड अपील में
क्यों नहीं बनाएंगे पार्टी?
क्योंकि जो डॉक्टर
जो डेथ हो गया तो वहाँ पर substitution फाइल किए थे?
नहीं हुआ,
नहीं किए थे ना, तो फिर क्या होगा आपका? तो अपील डिफेक्टिव है, आपका पूरा प्रोसीडिंग डिफेक्टिव है। You being the co-appellant cannot take a plea that I am not aware. Correct? You were the appellant before the first appellate court. You cannot take a plea that you were not aware about the death. अपने सीनियर को बुलाइए, ये सब कहानी यहाँ पे चलने वाला नहीं है, हम चलने नहीं देंगे सब कहानी। और अलग अलग अपीलान का अलग अलग डेट ऑफ डेथ है, अलग अलग कॉज ऑफ एक्शन है। आप एक साथ कैसे सारे पिटीशन फाइल कर देते हैं? एक निकलेगा तो सब निकल जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा यहाँ।
वो दूसरा आईएम फाइल करा है 10/3/23 वो 17/10/23 का ऑर्डर हुआ था कि उसका फ्रेश सब्स्टिट्यूशन फाइल की थी, फिर उसके बाद
You have to satisfy me that in a case where co-appellant has expired before the learned first appellate court, how a substitution petition can be allowed? यहाँ बताइए कुछ हेल्प करिए, आपसे पूछ रहे हैं मिस्टर वर्मा। Just tell me, in a case where co-appellant has expired before the first appellate court, how that person can be substituted over there?
Yes, madam, we cannot justify our
You cannot justify it. I will not permit this. Respondent मर गया, खबर नहीं आया, ये सब कहानी हमको समझ में आता है, लेकिन co-appellant मर गया और खबर नहीं हुआ, ये कहानी समझ में नहीं आता है। I will not permit this. ये सब कहानी हमको बंद करना पड़ेगा। And I am telling it to everybody, जिसको भी एड्रेस करना है आगे, I just want to know. Nobody can take advantage of their own wrong. What is this? नहीं चलेगा। अब अपने सीनियर को बुला के लाइए, आपसे नहीं समझेगा ये केस। बुलाइए। कब रखना बताएं? कौन है आपके सीनियर?
राजीव सिन्हा
सीनियर एडवोकेट तो अच्छा हम लोग को बढ़िया से असिस्टेंस मिलेगा एंड विल एनलाइटन अस, राइट? कब रख दें पहले नेक्स्ट सैटरडे खुला है ना कोर्ट?
नेक्स्ट सैटरडे, सेकंड सैटरडे, थर्ड
उसके
सैटरडे,
बाद थर्ड सैटरडे शनिवार को रख दें।
20
19।
essay number 65 of 2020. Council for the applicant is present. He has submitted that applicant number 2, 3, 10 and 11 entitled appeal number 32 of 2007 had expired during the pendency of the first appeal. However, no petition for substitution was filed before the first appellate court. ये सब एक ही फैमिली के हैं? कहाँ है आपका डिटेल?
Page number 44.
Page number 44. Yes. कौन किसका डेट किया? अपील नंबर 2, 3, 10, 11. It was a partition suit. Partition suit.
Yes, ma'am. Title suit.
The counsel for the appellant is unable to explain as to why the petition for substitution was not filed before the learned first appellate court. He seeks settlement. At his request, post this case on 20th of December. Is December 5. Wait a second. The appellant here was the appellant before the learned first appellate.
Item 19, second appeal 79 of 2020.
One to 20 your lordship. As per the office note, your lordship, the correspondence 5, 11 to 17 have died, your lordship. And 18, question number 18, not found. The rest has been served through person or other personally or relatives.
Essay number 79 of 2020.
Respondent number 2, 7, 14, 15 and 16 की तरफ से दिया था वो गलत नंबर रिसीव कर
Just it's the learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that respond number 5, 11 and 17 have been reported dead. He has further submitted that so far as other respondents are concerned, the notice has been
18 को सबमिट हुआ है 18 not found.
the other respondents except respond number 18, the notice has been served either personally or through their close relative. आप इनकी तरफ से अप्लाई करते हैं
2, 7, 14, 15 and
2,
16
7, 14, 15.
और अदर्स का भी आ जाएगा 24
Considering the reported submission, the notice upon respondent number आपको तो बाकी में तो कोई objection नहीं है. The learned counsel for the respondent appearing for respondent number 2, 7, 14, 15 and 16 has no objection with respect to the prayer for acceptance of service of notice concerning the respondents except respondent number 5, 11, 17 and 18. Considering the submissions, the notice upon respondents except respondent number 5, 11, 17 and 18 is accepted as valid. Counsel for the appellant prays for and is granted time till 8th of January to take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number 18 at his present and correct address, or to file an appropriate application seeking substituted service of notice print. और 5, 11 and 17 का कब डेट?
मंगवा लेंगे, डिटेल मंगवा लेंगे. एक ही पब्लिक अगर उनका पब्लिक देख लेते हैं मिल जाएगा डिटेल्स पब्लिक देख ही देगा नहीं मिलेगा.
Since the notices were issued way back in the year 2024, it appears that the proceeding in connection with respondent number 5, 11 and 17 has already abated. आपको कब तक का टाइम दिया? 8 Post this case on 5th of February. आप दे दीजिए मुझे को.
इसको डेट से पहले तो एक 2 दिन और आके 5 से 6 तारीख को छोड़ दो दिन की नौकरी.
इसको आप छुट्टी पर 12 जनवरी
तो इस पास होगा होता है यूनिवर्सिटी.
आपके टिम्बर में छुट्टी 2 दिन पहले खत्म हो जाती है.
हम लोग
हो जाती है ना?
आज तक कभी न्यू ईयर का फर्स्ट डे हम लोग कभी मिस नहीं किया.
हम लोग भी नहीं बनाते.
नहीं फर्स्ट डे कभी मिस नहीं किए. न्यू ईयर का फर्स्ट डे.
आप फर्स्ट डे का कोर्ट का.
हाँ न्यू ईयर का फर्स्ट डे कभी मिस नहीं किए. 2 तारीख को चाहे कितना भी 2 तारीख को आना ही है सबको.
हमको तो जहाँ तक पता है आपके चेंबर में जो है छुट्टी कोर्ट खुलने के 2 दिन पहले छुट्टी खत्म हो जाती है.
इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ 1 तारीख को हम लोग नहीं मना पाते.
इसीलिए आज आप बहस कर पा रहे हैं. नहीं तो बस छुट्टी मनाते रहते परमानेंट. चलिए
पासों का एक लॉट से टेक्स्ट पास में उस पर एक गड़बड़ हो गया है. हम लोग जो लिखे एक्चुअली जो ट्रायल कोर्ट में जो था उस उन लोगों को पार्टी बना दी है. पूरा जो अपीलेट कोर्ट में था तो लॉर्डशिप से ब्राउन पिंक फिगर इज बिग पिंक फ्लैग इज अपीलेट कोर्ट और डिग्री ऑफ लॉर्डशिप.
भी आपका पिटीशन में एरर
हल्का सा भी फिर अमेंडमेंट एरर है. क्या एरर क्या है बता कि जैसे अपीलेट नंबर 2 और 3 जो है उसको हम बोल रहे हैं कि परफॉर्मर रेस्पोंडेंट बना दे रहे हैं because they were party in the suit your lordship, but in the appellate stage they were not party. So they should be appellate के
तो ये तो आपको पिटीशन चेंज करना पड़ेगा।
उसका सिर्फ उसको जो 5 6 उसको 4 जो 5 6 जो हम लिख रहे हैं अमेंडमेंट में उसको 4 5 होना चाहिए क्योंकि हम रेस्पोंडेंट को भी डिलीट करके बोल रहे हैं उसको भी परफॉर्मा रेस्पोंडेंट बनना चाहिए क्योंकि he was also not in the appellate stage. Bharat Kumar, who was in the trial stage, he was not in the appellate stage.
Okay.
So he should also be a performer respondent here now.
Okay.
So he should be respondent number 6. We have made 4 respondents. So 1 will go, then 3 will be only left as per the title appeal. So 3 will go, then 2 appellates will become 4 and 5. Performers will 4 and 5, and then Bharat Kumar will
Bharat Kumar was party in the trial.
trial. Everybody was party in the trial.
Okay. Trial court में ये party थी. Okay. But appellate court में he was not
No,
party.
he was not a party. Same situation with appellant number 2 and 3, Bacchi Devi and Pankaj Kumar.
They were also not appellant party in the appellate court. Okay. But you have prayed to delete. Okay.
I'm
Indeed,
saying
they must pro forma
respondent because I cannot delete them.
Okay. Essay number 144 of regulations with IA number 12308 of 2024. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that this interlocutory application has been filed seeking amendment of memorandum of opinion in the cost type. He submits that appellant number 2 and 3, namely Bacchi Devi and Pankaj Kumar, were party in the trial court, but were not made party before the first appellate court. आप थे appellant कौन थे?
That is the situation that I was there. In appellant all the time, I was the plaintiff, appellant.
आप क्यों party बनाए?
They were the party in the. I am
तो
saying that
appellate court में party क्यों नहीं बनाए?
that I cannot reply that now, because I know they were interested or not.
Just a moment.
They were
Just
even the performer respondent.
Just he submits that their name may be deleted. Their name may be deleted from the memo of appeal as appellants, and they may be made pro forma respondent number 5 and 6.
No, not 4 and 5.
Pro forma respondents.
4 and 5 okay.
Pro forma respondents. He submits that similar is the situation with respondent number 2 in the present case, namely Bharat Kumar, who was a party in the trial court, but not a party in the first appellate court. Judgment has been passed against respondent number 2.
In the appellate court, he was not there.
Accordingly, he submits that Bacchi Devi, Pankaj Kumar Yadav, and Bharat Kumar be permitted to be made respondent in the present proceedings. Considering the submissions, the counsel for the appellant is permitted to delete the name of appellant number 2 and 3 from the cause title, and also delete the name of respondent number 2 from the cause title, and make them respondent numbers
4, 5, 6.
1, 2 तो डिलीट हो गया ना?
हाँ तो उसमें दो ही रहेगा सिर्फ appellant दो नाम there were 2 appellants.
Respondent number 4, 5 and 6 respectively. को क्यों डिलीट करें respondent number 2?
this was a defect pointed out by the office because in the appellate stage he was not there.
The respondent numbers in the memo of appeal we also amended. Making Usha Devi as respondent number 2 and Kiran Kumari as respondent number 3. Bachchi Devi as respondent number 4. Pankaj Kumar as respondent number 5.
Bharat Yadav
and Bharat Kumar
only. Pankaj Yadav
as respondent number 6. ILO. The Learned Council for the Appellant is directed to carry out necessary correction in the cost item. It is further observed that the consequence of not making Bachchi Devi, Pankaj Kumar Yadav and Bharat Kumar as party in the first appellate proceedings will be considered at the time of final disposal. It is the responsibility of the Learned Council for the Appellant to point out this order to the court at the time of final hearing. आपकी responsibility. It is observed that the ठीक है आगे बताइए आइए डिस्पोज ऑफ ऑर्डर बताइए क्या करना है
then come on and listen to us.
Order है 23/9/24 that defect in connection with appeal number 2 and 3.
We have added IE by ignoring those defects. We are also pointed out to that's why we add this amendment.
This amendment was filed after that order.
Yes.
IE number 2. और इससे क्या बचा?
अब कुछ नहीं अपनी नाम मिस
ये क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि defect in connection with appeal number 2 and 3 stands removed?
उनको हम लोग डिलीट करने के लिए दिए दैट्स
Appellate court का डिग्री था
appellate court is pink flag in the also.
ये तो वहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट हुए थे नहीं appellate court का ड्यूटी करेक्ट हो क्या है सब्स्टिट्यूट हुए
फिर से दूसरा डिग्री
कुछ भी आपको कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड का पता नहीं होता, 15 मिनट मेरा दिमाग खराब कर दिया।
झूठ हो गया है।
यस,
2 लोग का नाम है।
आपको प्रीवियस ऑर्डर्स का पता नहीं होता है।
प्रीवियस ऑर्डर में वही है कि उस पर है तुम लोग उसी तो कि आइए फाइल
Appellate court का डिक्री amend हो गया, whereas appeal number 2 and 3 are parties before the appellate court. कैसे बोल रहे हैं? आने दीजिए, कोई रेस्टोरेशन आपका होगा ना, इसका पूरा खर्चा हम उसी में निकालेंगे। क्या तरीका है आप लोग का? कुछ भी ऑर्डर कराते हैं, रिकॉर्ड का पता ही नहीं होता। देखिए, the prayer for amendment with in connection with appeal number 2 and 3 is, फिर से लिखिएगा। I number 1512 of 24 has been filed. I number 12308 of 24 has been filed seeking amendment of memo of appeal. In view of order dated 23/9/2024, the defect in connection with appeal number 2 and 3 does not survive anymore, as the appellate court's decree has already been amended. So far as the defect in connection with, accordingly, there is no question of amending the memo of appeal in connection with appeal number 2 and 3. The amendment proposed by paragraph 6 within bracket Roman 1 is rejected. So far as the proposed amendment in paragraph 6 within bracket Roman 2 is concerned, the counsel for the appellant has submitted that Bharat Kumar was a party before the learned trial court, but was not a party before the learned first appellate court. Trial court डिग्री लगाएं?
Yes, Your Lordship. That is orange flag, Your Lordship. Orange flag.
He has referred to the decree of the trial court, and Bharat Kumar was defendant number 1 within that decree. However, he was not made party before the first appellate court. Counsel for the appellant had submitted that let Bharat Kumar be made respondent number.
He will be now 4 instead of
Respondent number 5 in the present instance.
from 2 he will be get deleted. And place of 2 he will be now respondent number for the as a performer.
He has submitted that let Bharat Kumar be treated as pro forma respondent instead of respondents. Considering the submissions, however, considering the fact that Bharat Kumar was a party defendant in the trial court, but was not made party before the first appellate court. This court is not inclined to delete allow the players seeking amendment. And Bharat Kumar, who has been made party respondent in the present proceeding, shall remain as respondents. However, the consequence of not impleading Bharat Kumar will be considered at appropriate stage. The learned counsel for the appellant is directed to ensure that this order is brought to the notice of this court at the time of hearing under Order 41 Rule 11. What do you want?
No. That defect may be ignored because there was a
The defect, the office defect in connection with party position is by for the present. अब क्या बचा? Rest is all done.
Yes. So now we will take care of that. I'm sorry.
Post on 17th December.
Item 20, second appeal 92 of 2020.
In this case, I have received this matter. Wakalatnama, no,
On behalf of
they have the appellant. I may be allowed to file the wakalat.
उसके लिए आपको परमिशन का क्या जरूरत है?
क्योंकि कल ही मिला है, फाइल रेडी करके रखे हैं, फाइल नहीं। इसमें लिमिटेशन में देखिए तो लिमिटेशन में नोटिस हो चुका है। अदर साइड से देखिए।
The learned counsel for the appellant, Mr. D.C. Mishra, is present. He submits that he shall file wakalatnama during the course of the suit. He seeks permission to file wakalatnama during the course of the due. Permission is accorded. Idea क्या है इसका?
Limitation delay for 62 days.
How many days?
62.
62 days. As per office note, notice was issued in IA number 2411 of 2021 seeking confirmation of delay in filing the second appeal. Respondent number 18 and 20 refused to receive the notice. Accordingly, the notice is accepted as validly served upon respondent number 18 and 20. Respondent number 2, 3, 7, 8, 10 and 13 have been served personally. Notice is accepted as valid. The notice could not be served upon respondent number 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 11, 12, 21, 22, 23 and 24. And also upon respondent number 14, 15 and 16. 14, 15, 16, 17 and 19. For want of proper address. It has been reported that respondent number 16 has shifted to last one. Counsel for the appellant is granted time till 16th of January 26 to take appropriate steps for service of notice to speed post on the respondent number, on the aforesaid respondents to whom the notice could not be served, or to file an application seeking substituted service of notice. Print. Post on 16th of February. या तो प्रेजेंट करेक्ट एड्रेस पे फाइल कर दीजिए, नहीं तो सब्स्टिट्यूटेड सर्विस पे
ऑर्डिनरी प्रोसेस करते हैं
ऑर्डिनरी प्रोसेस ठीक है ऑर्डिनरी प्रोसेस
Item 21, Second Appeal 94 of 2020.
Plus, there's an IA number 4064 of 24 coordination of 10 days delay in filing the second appeal.
How much delay?
10 days, Your Lordship.
10 days. We hear your appeal on merits. इसके अलावा कुछ बचा?
No, Your Lordship.
आप अपना मेरिट पे बहस करिए. 10 दिन का डिले के लिए हम नोटिस नहीं करेंगे.
Your Lordship, the suit was filed for
You
declaration.
want to do it today? Are you ready? Order 41 Rule 11 का hearing. If you are ready, it's okay. I am ready.
I think sir would like to do this.
देखिए आपके सीनियर को जाके बता रहे हैं.
Sir, the date may be fixed.
अब बताइए कौन सा? एक केस हम रखे हैं ऐसे ही अंडर सिमिलर सर्कमस्टांसेस. नोटिस हम नहीं इशू करेंगे जब तक हम सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होंगे सेकंड अपील पे. हम नोटिस नहीं इशू करेंगे. लिमिटेशन के लिए हमको नहीं यहाँ पे कहानी खड़ा करना.
In the next week, any date will be fixed.
कौन सा डेट रखें? एक और केस. हाँ नेक्स्ट उस दिन राजीवा शर्मा जी अपना केस करेंगे. आप लोग आपके भी सीनियर रहेंगे, उनको रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे आने के लिए. ठीक है, क्योंकि इट्स एन इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप दैट आई एम टेकिंग व्हिच इज नॉट एज पर द नॉर्म्स ऑफ आवर हाई कोर्ट. एक दिन का डिले में भी नोटिस कर देते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन मेरा ऐसा सोच है कि जब तक हम सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होंगे सब्सटेंशियल क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ के लिए हमको नोटिस करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. आई विल नॉट इशू. ऐसे नंबर 94 of 2020. A petition has been filed seeking condonation of delay of 10 days in filing the second appeal. However, this court is of the view that before issuing notice even in the limitation matter, it would be important to see as to whether there is any substantial question of law involved in this case. Calling upon the respondents to respond to it. At the request of the counsel for the appellant, the counsel for the appellant submits that with respect to the merits of the matter, it shall be ready and the matter be posted on 20th of December. Post on 20th December.
Item 22, Second Appeal 55 of 2022.
Who's for the appellant? Yes.
In this case, whether the notice was issued in limitation matter. That's one is the report has been, you say service report, notice has come. That is in the record. And it appears from the service report that respondent number 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, 20, 24, 25, 26 has died. Substitution of legal heirs of
What
this.
about others?
Madam?
What about others?
Others के बारे में तो
बाकी लोगों के बारे में क्या बोलना?
सर्विस हो गया हो गया
सर आपकी दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है, इसको खुद नहीं समझ आ रहा आप क्या बोल रहे हैं. ऑफिस डॉक्टर नहीं देखा है ना मैडम?
पिक्चर हम नहीं देखे
आपकी जूनियर का काम है सर, वही हम बता रहे हैं, she is absolutely novice, she does not know what she is speaking.
फिर ये फाइल मांग रही थी तो शायद फाइल बोली कि अभी
ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता है, यहाँ पे कोई आपको फाइल ना दे। आपने फाइल ले लिया क्या, आपसे फाइल मांगा था?
लिया गया था
उसको नहीं समझ आया,
नहीं समझ पाए।
आप ऑर्डर सुनिए। ऐसे नंबर 55 of 2022 on 17/10/24 notice was issued in the limitation matter the
Six.
a notice was issued on limitation matter मत लिखिएगा, पता नहीं क्या चीज़ में notice हुआ। किस चीज़ में notice हुआ था लास्ट?
लिमिटेशन पर एक आईए था जो कि मतलब रेस्पोंडेंट वन मर गया था तो उसको लीगल हेयर को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया।
Notice was issued in the limitation matter
Yes.
by order dated 17/10/24. As per the office note, respondent number 1 within bracket A, 2, 13 and 22. The notice has been personally served. With respect to respondent number 1 within bracket B to 1 within bracket D, comma 3, comma 19, comma 1 within bracket E and 1 within bracket F, 4, 8, 10, 16 to 18. The notice has been served to close family member. And 21 and 23 also. Notice has been served to close family member. Accordingly, notice the Council for the Appeal and submits that notice upon the apostate respondents be accepted as valid. कोई objection है आपको?
No.
The Council for the respondents, respond number, आप किसकी तरफ से हैं? The Council for the respondent. किसी का नाम है पकड़ पाना, किसी का नाम है respondent की तरफ से? छोड़ दीजिए, last sentence बन दीजिए. The notice upon the apostate respondents is accepted as validly served. Respondent number 15 and 19 have refused to accept notice. The notice upon respondent number 15 and 19 is also accepted as validly served. Okay, the respond number 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, 20, 24, 25 and 26 have been reported dead 5 years ago, 6 years, 5, 6, 10, 4, 8, 9, 11, 3, 20, 7, 12 years ago, respectively. Yay report. Apparently, the proceeding in connection with the respondent number 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, 20, 24, 25 and 26 has awaited. आप अपीलांट थे फर्स्ट अपील में कि क्या वैल्यू का अपीलांट बिफोर द फर्स्ट अपील?
नो, हम लोग वहाँ पर रेस्पोंडेंट्स हो, हम लोग फर्स्ट कोर्ट से जीत गए थे, तो अपील फाइल किया था रेस्पोंडेंट.
Before the learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that before the learned first appellate court, the present appellants were the respondents.
Defendant, they were appellants.
They were appellants.
हम लोग रेस्पोंडेंट्स हो ना, रेस्पोंडेंट appellant.
अच्छा, plaintiff respondent.
हाँ.
They were the respondents
Yes.
before the first appellate court, correct? They were the respondents before the first appellate court. इतना ही बहुत है. चलिए तो अबेट कर गया आपका.
जो मर गया है उसका इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग को देंगे तो.
आप ही न थे.
हैं?
आप वहाँ आपके को रेस्पोंडेंट मरे थे बिफोर द फर्स्ट appellate court.
नहीं, रेस्पोंडेंट नहीं मरे. हम लोग तो हमारे ये जो है रेस्पोंडेंट हैं यहाँ पर, वो मर गए ना, उनको नोटिस हुआ था.
कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन अबेट हो गया है. आप अपना एक्सप्लेन करिए, आपको जो करना है करिए. लेकिन जब 5 साल पहले मर गए हैं तो इसका मतलब जब ये ऑर्डर हुआ होगा, वी डू नॉट नो 22 का है कब मरे. यू हैव टू टेक एप्रोप्रिएट स्टेप्स. ना प्रोसीडिंग तो अबेट करते हैं. अब बताइए क्या करना, कब रखो.
एप्रोप्रिएट स्टेप लेंगे हम लोग जो करो.
हाँ बताइए कब रखना, कब के लिए रखना.
2nd week of January में.
Okay. At the request of the learned counsel for the appellant, posed this case on 15th of January.
Article 23, second appeal 2 of 2023.
Notices are issued on limitation. Respondent number 16 and respondent number 17 answer notices. And respondent number 19 has died.
कहाँ लिखा है respondent number 19 has died? Where is it mentioned that the respondent number 19 has died? Right? Has been reported deceased. देखिए second appeal number 2 of 2023. As per office note, respondent number 19 has been reported dead. The notice was issued in the limitation matter way back as on 2/8/2023. Thus, after the proceeding has abated in connection with respondent number 19. Respondent number 1, 3, 10, 11, 23, 27, 29, 30, 34, 41, 47, 51, 54, and 60 have been personally served. Notice is accepted as valid. As per office note, respondent number 3 has accepted notice on behalf of respondent number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15 and 16. They belong to the same family. हम आपका सबमिशन लिखा रहे हैं, वेरीफाई करके चेक करके कंफर्म करेंगे।
एक मिनट टाइम दीजिए।
क्या चीज़ के लिए? ऑफिस नोट पढ़ने के लिए?
ये प्लीज चैनल के साथ
क्या करें?
आज हम जाएं। हम वेरीफाई कर
इस टाइम पर टाइम नहीं दे सकते।
आज हम कर देंगे शिकायत।
आप बैठ के इसको वेरीफाई खुद हम वेरीफाई करिए, हम ये सब चीज़ के लिए टाइम नहीं देते, आपको बता भी देते हैं कैसे वेरीफाई करना। आपको एप्लीकेट कोड का डिक्रीज सब रिलेशन या सब चीज़ पता लग जाएगा। ट्रायल कोड का ट्रायल कोड का डिक्रीज से आपको सारे रिलेशंस पता लग जाएंगे। अब देखिए हम अभी ऑर्डर करेंगे, पास ओवर करते हैं। ना ऑफिस नोट पढ़ने से कोई मतलब है ना कुछ। दो पन्ना का ऑफिस नोट हो गया, क्या देख सके सब पेंडिंग।
Item 24, second appeal 82 of 2023.
Under the bargaining council, Sachin Kumar is out of station due to his marriage lodging.
His own marriage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. क्या है ये?
As per the office number 1 IG is pending 1057 on the count of limitation order. Since I do not understand this is coming.
आप कौन है respondent?
I'm appealing.
आपके वकालतनामा में डिफेक्ट है?
Defect?
Yes. Certified fresh वकालतनामा। नाम में मिसमैच है कि क्या है? पेरेंटेज में मिसमैच है?
Verify करना।
एग्जैक्टली अगर आपके डिग्री से टैली नहीं करेगा तो हम अलाउ नहीं करेंगे। कोई एलियस नेम अपना आपके फादर का वी विल नॉट परमिट।
देख लेते हैं।
एलियस नेम खाली क्रिमिनल केस में चलता है, because criminal case is prosecuted by a primary court, right? Civil matters में alias name नहीं चलेगा।
ठीक है, देख लेता हूँ।
Counsel for the appellant seeks adjournment on personal grounds. A defect has been pointed out in connection with the wakalatnama filed on behalf of respondents. कब पढ़ने लगे? Post on 8
January.
8 January.
Item 25, second appeal 145 of 2023.
Please supplement.
My lord, I do counsel seek both no opening my lord.
सेकेंड अपील में सिर्फ 22 डेज का डिले है।
Yes, ma'am.
हम मेरिट पे सुनेंगे, हम आपका लिमिटेशन पे नोटिस
एक सप्ताह one week
ज़्यादा टाइम दे रहे हैं, 20 तारीख का डेट। Essay number 145 of 2023. The appeal is barred by only 22 days. However, before issuing notice on the point of limitation, this court wants to be satisfied if there is any substantial question of law involved in this case. Counsel for the appellant seeks adjournment to advance arguments on merits of the case as well. At his request, post is on 20th of December 2020. Saturday है.
Yes, ma'am.
Item 26, second appeal 184 of 2023.
If preemptive time was granted, my lord, defects was not removed. Thereafter, IA for extension was filed. Thereafter, as of today, my lord, all defects have been removed. So time may be extended, my lord, till the date of removal. All defects have been removed.
Preemptive time has already taken its effect.
नहीं, उसके बाद फाइल, उसके पहले फाइल कैसे मिली?
तो भी मेंशन करके तो पढ़ाना है ना. तो फाइल करके छोड़ने से थोड़ी होता.
नहीं.
ऑटोमेटिक एक्सटेंशन थोड़ी होता. By virtue of filing a petition. हम कर दे रहे हैं. We are not interested in this, but technically this is incorrect. If any petition is filed for extension of time, then the appropriate order has to be issued. Essay number 184 of 2023. The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that. IA number 12112 of 24 was filed. Within the 20 period, seeking extension of 8 weeks time to remove the defects. However, no order was passed on the executive application. To notice that in the meantime, the defects have been removed. Considering the requisite facts, the removal of defect is accepted. Office is directed to place the secretary before under appropriate heading on '17.
Item 27, second appeal 92 of 2024.
There is a delay of 5 days in filing the second appeal. We have filed an IA 6695 of 2024.
They hear you on it.
So,
आइए प्लीज
ठीक है, अपडेट में भी गिवन मैं
20 तारीख सबका 20 तारीख रखते हैं क्योंकि लोगों को बहुत ऑब्जेक्शन भी हो सकता है. I will hear everybody because it's a new process that I am adopting.
Yeah, I understood, my lords. I was there for the entire day. Your lordship has already
कोई
disclosed it.
सब्सटेंशियल क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ नहीं है तो क्यों नोटिस करना है? और पता चले कि जो रेस्पोंडेंट है वो 20 साल पहले मर गया. अभी एक रिकॉर्ड देखो 20 years earlier he has died. और उसके बाद यहाँ हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूशन करते रहे. नहीं
This is the fresh one of 2024.
नहीं वो भी फ्रेश वन है. But when the notice was issued, it came to light that the respondents had expired 20 years back. समझ रहे हैं? और हम लोग यहाँ पर जो है खाली सब्स्टिट्यूशन करते रह जाएंगे. तो हम लोग क्यों नहीं करेंगे हम सेकेंड अपील में प्रोसेस. Essay number 92 of 2024. Counsel for the appellant has submitted that a petition has been filed seeking condemnation of delay of 95 days. This court is of the view that before issuing notice on the point of limitation, it would be better to hear the counsel for the appellant on the proposed substantive question of law. Service that he would be ready and the matter be adjourned and be posted on 20th of December. We said, सबको सुनेंगे उसी दिन. Post on 20th of December.
Item 28, CMP 713 of 2025.
Yes.
There is an application of condoning the delay of 91 days in preferring the restoration petition. Initially, amended files, on which preventive order was passed.
CMP 713 of 2025 with ID number
I
1987 of 2025. Issue notice to the respondents both on the implementing application as well as on the main CMP. For which requisites under speed post. Be filed. Speed post and ordinary process.
Respondent number 3 I am.
Issue notice upon respondent number 1 to 3. Mr. Plant
No, I am only appearing three national insurance company.
नाम सही बोले आपका. Mr. Plant Pranoy advocate waives notice on behalf of respondent number 3. Let notice be the requisites be filed for service of notice upon respondent number 1 and 2, both under ordinary process as well as speed post, for which requisites be filed by 19th of December 20. Post on 15th December, 15th January. Restoration है ना? मेरे पास आएगा 16 जनवरी को. ओपनिंग का बेंच नहीं पता ना. 16 सैटरडे को तो रहता है टाइड अप मैटर को.
For hearing on order 41 rule 11 item 29, second appeal 191 of 2018.
Case number 191 of 2018. As per office note, all defects comes for the appellant is absent. As per office note, all defects pointed out by SR dated 19/6/2018 have been removed within the payable time. However, it has also been pointed out that respondent number 2, namely Ajay Oraon, as reflected in the memo of appeal, was not a party in the certified copy of the decree under appeal. Accordingly, it appears that this is supplementary affidavit filing. This means supplementary affidavit. This will cover the supplementary affidavit filing. Office note. With regard to defect number 1, 2, 7 and 8, supplementary affidavit on behalf of the applicant has been filed for the defect number 1, 4, 7 and 8. One, two, four, 1, 2, 4, 7 and 8. With respect to this court has gone through the supplementary affidavit, wherein a prayer was made, wherein it has been submitted that the decree may be sent to the learning court for correction. Considering the supplementary affidavit, let the decree of both the courts be sent to the concerned court for correction. Office to indicate the defect by sending it for correction. Court is based on 15th of January.
Item 30, second appeal 166 of 2020.
I was praying not today only, Monday, Tuesday, or whenever you are convenient.
File the full unit, you are the appellant,
So we are the applicant,
plaintiff or defendant?
plaintiff.
You lost in the first appellate court.
In both the courts.
So what substantial question of law have you framed?
Monday या Tuesday को रख दिया था थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी में थे मैंने.
5 साल हो गया सर आपका केस फाइल.
We will do, madam. We we can only pray, my Lord, that.
Then I will feel obliged if you do it.
Pardon?
फिर हम लोग पर एक ऑब्लिगेशन हो जाएगा बहुत बड़ा कि आप कर लेंगे बस 2020 से केस पेंडिंग है सर हम क्यों टाइम याद कर रहे हैं Why should we grant it? 5 years.
But usually we do. There are some reasons, personal.
Case number 166 of Benjamin. Mr. Radipa Sharma, Senior Counsel, seeks adjournment on personal ground. He submits that the matter be posted in the next week. Post on Tuesday. By way of last indictments.
Tuesday मिला.
Yes, Tuesday.
Tuesday को एक और केस है उधर यहाँ पे.
First.
तो ये भी मार सकते.
Take up होगा तभी तो पता नहीं रहता ना.
मिला.
तो तेजी से take up हो भी नहीं पाता.
Obliged.
Item 31, second appeal 84 of 2023.
Yes.
That's in this I'm praying for 2 weeks time on the ground to find the current status of the execution case that has been filed. It's an eviction case.
It doesn't make any difference.
That's if the execution proceeding
It
is
doesn't
already-
make any difference. Even if it is executed, you will argue that
if the execution is already complete, the matter in any way gets infractions.
should I record that? That you will not press the appeal?
If the execution
No.
proceeding matter
It doesn't become infractuous. If anything has been already executed, the case does not become
in
infractuous.
an eviction proceeding matter,
I record it that if it has been executed, then you will not press it.
that's in any case but I'm not ready with the matter. It appeared in the cost list yesterday. That's Saturday being.
Let's read it.
Read through the file, but we need some time.
This is an eviction suit of 1993.
Yes, it has
89.
been demanded. It came up.
89.
It came up till the Honorable High Court, Patna bench, and it was remanded back by an order. I also need to see the order because the appellate court has decided it only on the basis of that order, and the other grounds have not been considered.
It is a limited remand. It will be taken up.
Therefore, I have to also see that.
So what are you doing? You are playing the substantial question of law without going through the order of remand. Were you born in 89? This is a case prior to your birth.
Thereafter, the execution period also stated that fair rent was assessed by the rent controller, and we have been paying the rent till date. The fair rent that has been assessed.
When was it assessed?
My lords, not sure. But earlier when the case was filed, it was 525 rupees per month. As of the last IA that we filed, it's 7,100 rupees per month. So we are paying that rate along with some order in compliance that we.
Was that the fair rent fixed on the date of institution of the suit?
No.
That matter ends. It makes no difference. If you are defaulter once, that's the end of the story.
It's there.
Your fair rent will not date back to the date prior to the institution of suit.
That is true. That is true. I mean, although the case is pretty long, but we've been paying rent.
It makes no difference. By paying rent, you are not making.
Well, I have come.
It's your obligation to pay rent. It's not
By reading the order, I came to the finding that the rent was not paid monthly. It was paid at a block, and the default has been found. So that remand order becomes important because if other grounds are not to be seen, then I cannot go and take that ground that although the rent was paid in blocks, but we have already.
It was the matter was remanded to the first appellate court or to the
First
first.
appellate.
Where is the discussion of the remand? सेकेंड अपील का रिकॉर्ड दो। सेकेंड अपील का रिकॉर्ड तो यही है ना, उसके लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? You don't need anything else. Because second appeal number 46 of 96 R का रिकॉर्ड चाहिए। Second appeal number 46 of 96 within bracket R का रिकॉर्ड चाहिए। हो गया आपका रिमांड ऑर्डर का सॉल्यूशन। मंडे को करिए। As far as no, I will not adjourn it. I am adjourning it today.
This is
No.
Honorable High Court Patna's order.
So, no, which order?
42 of 96 orders.
46 of 96. R.
Yes.
R है साथ में। दिखाई जरा 46 of 96 का पार्टी नेम देखिए। R मतलब समझते हैं? आपको नहीं पता है।
Must be Raji Bench.
Yes. और यही का होगा, पटना हाई कोर्ट में यहाँ का केस में नहीं फाइल होगा। There is a clear observation that matter regarding enhancement of rent is closed.
May grant me time so that I can go through the.
कोई बात नहीं, आप मंडे को आइए। इसके बियॉन्ड नहीं करेंगे, इसके बियॉन्ड चाहिए तो हम आपको कॉस्ट देंगे, not without cost. Eviction suits and specific performance contracts are to be expeditiously disposed of as per the observation of the Supreme Court. There is a general observation, right? So I am bound by the directives of the Supreme Court. You may not be. I will post it on Monday. उससे ज़्यादा लंबा चाहिए तो एक लाख रुपए कॉस्ट। एक जीरो से कम नहीं।
I would have paid Wednesday, but Wednesday that special bench sits in the second half of this.
I do not know. You read it on Monday.
I only pray that it may be taken up on Thursday. But I'll do it.
Thursday को कुछ रखें क्या? Case number 84 of 2023. Learned counsel for the appeal and seeks adjournment. No adjournment notice has been circulated. However, he submits that he has to go through the order of remand passed in second appeal number 46 of 1996 within that time.
It's 42.
From where do we get 40? In the order it is mentioned, second appeal number 46 of 1996 within that time. Internal page 7 of the appellate court statement. However, the learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that the second appeal, the connected second appeal is second appeal number 42 of 1996 R and not second appeal number 46 of 1996 within bracket R as recorded in the appellate court statute. Office is directed to place the records of second appeal number 42 of 1996 R as well as the records of second appeal number 46 of 1996 R before this court. The counsel for the appellant has submitted that the matter be posted on next Thursday. By way of last indulgence, the matter is directed to be posted on next Thursday. The learned courtmaster is directed to summon the records of second appeal number 46 of 1996 R and 42 of 1996 R and keep it with himself from Tuesday onwards so that the appellant may have opportunity to go through the order in advance. Post on Thursday, no further adjournment will be granted.
Item 32, second appeal 171 of 2023.
I'm not prepared.
ये not prepared का पानी नहीं चलेगा, एकदम नहीं
I
चलेगा।
was outside.
यहाँ क्या हम लोग सैटरडे को टाइम देने के लिए बैठे हैं?
आज ही आए हैं बाहर से।
नहीं तो आप तो कोई एजेंडमेंट नोटिस भी नहीं दिया आप खड़े होकर टाइम की।
इवनिंग में आया लिस्ट है, हम बाहर थे, सवेरे पहुंचे, नहीं पढ़ पाए। It is a case of reversal. Partition suit was dismissed, and against that appeal was filed by the plaintiff. That was allowed.
The counsel for the applicant has submitted that he is not ready with the case on account of personal reasons and seeks adjournment. At his request, post this case on Tuesday.
Yes.
Immediately थोड़ा हम लोग लिस्ट में नोटिस देते हैं ना फर्स्ट हाफ सेकंड हाफ का, इस नोटिस में हम लोग हेडिंग करेंगे। Some of these matters are required to be taken up.
Second half में first कर दिया है।
Second half में नहीं होगा, ये सुबह 10:30 बजे से होगा ऑर्डर 41।
सुबह 10:30 नहीं खाली।
आपका कोर्ट 10 बजे शुरू होता है, कितना बजे शुरू होता है? 11 बजे।
सेकेंड हाफ में फर्स्ट केस कर दिया जाए, आई एम रेडी। बिकॉज फर्स्ट हाफ में थोड़ा सा जो प्रॉब्लम है, बेल वगैरह रहता है, फर्स्ट हाफ में क्लियर हो जाता है। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट उसमें भी थोड़ा सा आई एम रेडी, मिलर रेडी टू आर्ग्यू मिलर। आई एम नॉट कि पूरा हम पढ़ नहीं पाए हैं, अच्छा से प्रिपेयर नहीं हो पाए हैं।
आज आपका पर्सनल ग्राउंड है, उस दिन भी आपका दूसरा पर्सनल ग्राउंड।
उस दिन पर्सनल ग्राउंड मिलर आई वाज नॉट हियर।
20 तारीख को रख दीजिए, सैटरडे को।
20 तारीख को बाहर जा रहे हैं, उस दिन नहीं।
तो फिर आज ही बहस करिए ना, 20 तारीख को आप बाहर जा रहे हैं, वर्किंग डेज में आप
हम ट्यूसडे आई एम रेडी टू आर्ग्यू ट्यूसडे।
आपके हिसाब से टाइम नहीं फिक्स हो सकता है, क्योंकि अगर हम आपको एक आदमी को एजेंडमेंट देंगे
एजेंडमेंट नहीं कर, वो जो खाली अगर ठीक है 10:30 अगर बाई दी वे अगर कहीं फंसे शॉर्ट पासवर्ड खाली रिक्वेस्ट करेगा, शॉर्ट पासवर्ड के लिए खाली
लिस्ट में नोटिस देखिए ना,
नहीं,
लिस्ट के अनुसार चलिए।
शॉर्ट पासवर्ड के लिए खाली रिक्वेस्ट अगर हो कहीं इमरजेंसी में फंस जाने से जो खाली शॉर्ट पासवर्ड के लिए करेगा।
पासवर्ड तो हम दे ही रहे हैं।
यस देन ट्यूसडे को कहूंगा आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, आई एम रेडी टू आर्ग्यू।
अब ये मत बोलिएगा कि आप मुझे बोले तो पासवर्ड दे दें। हाँ
Your Lordship has said day before adjournment के लिए नोटिस हो जाए, उस दिन हम दे के, क्योंकि बहुत नजदीक I never leave the court, बहुत नजदीकी में कुछ ऐसा फंक्शन था जहाँ जाना पड़ा, जो I have given not that notice a day before I have informed the court master through my junior blood everything, but ये तो लिस्ट का है इसलिए
185 of 2023
Tuesday।
yes
item 33
Lordship, I pray this case will be taken up next week, Lordship. The suit was dismissed, Lordship, on the ground of non-joinder of necessary party, Lordship, against which file and appeal the London First Appellate Court, Lordship, confirmed the order passed by the London Trial Court, Lordship. इसमें कुछ जजमेंट लाना, प्लेंट की कॉपी भी नहीं है। अगला सप्ताह किसी दिन मुझे लग गया है।
ये तो सब के सब एडजर्न ही हो रहा है ना। अब क्या है कि एक आदमी को एडजर्नमेंट हम दे देंगे तो सभी को देना पड़ता है, एक को दे दिया अब आपको भी हम देंगे, क्या करेंगे?
नहीं नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए प्रेयर कर रहे
Next week
लॉर्ड। मेरे पास प्लेंट डब्ल्यूएस कॉपी बहुत जरूरी है, इसमें नॉन जॉइंडर ऑफ नेसेसरी पार्टी में बहुत जरूरी है लॉर्ड। जनरली आई एम नॉट सीकिंग टाइम लॉर्ड इन केसेस लॉर्ड। फिर एक ही पॉइंट पर हमने कर दिया कि सूट वाज डिसमिस्ड ऑन द ग्राउंड ऑफ नॉन जॉइंडर ऑफ नेसेसरी पार्टी।
तो अगर मान लीजिए सूट आपका नॉन जॉइंडर ऑफ नेसेसरी पार्टी के लिए डिसमिस हो गया, तो आपका सब्सिक्वेंट सूट बार थोड़ी हो जाएगा।
नहीं, सूट वाज फाइल्ड फॉर डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ टाइटल, कंफर्मेशन ऑफ पोजीशन एंड रिकवरी ऑफ पोजीशन। द प्लेंटिफ परचेज द लैंड बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ रजिस्टर्ड सेल डीड। 4 person purchased the land, lordship, but only one plaintiff filed suit for declaration of right title only on the ground of suit was dismissed, other issue was not touched, lordship. This is the case of the plaintiff, lordship. अगला सप्ताह रख दिए जब जो उसमें हमको जजमेंट भी हम लिखते आएंगे, लाइन ही है जजमेंट या जब जो कन्वीनियंट जिस डेट को अगला सप्ताह ये जब
इसमें तो आप विदिन टाइम अपना डिफेक्ट भी नहीं रिमूव किए,
डिफेक्ट तो रिमूव हो गया है।
अब रिमूव हो गया ना,
जी
प्रीएम्प्टिव टाइम था ना,
जी रिमूव हो गया।
तो इसका क्या है हिसाब?
तो
प्रीएम्प्टिव टाइम होने के बाद आप डिफेक्ट रिमूव करेंगे तो चलेगा क्या? यहाँ पे प्रीएम्प्टिव टाइम होने के बाद ऑटोमेटिक ये मैटर जो है हम लोगों का ऑर्डर 41 रूल 11 में कैसे आ जाता है? ये भी होना चाहिए ना, तो क्यों नहीं होता है? और ये ऑर्डर यहाँ पे ऐसे आ जाता है, देखिए with regard to detail numbers IE number being an application for extension of 8 weeks time to comply the order, ठीक है? उसके बाद has been filed on IE has been filed on preemptive time. ये orders with defect में है।
ऑर्डर 41
I number 121110/24 has been filed for extension of time to comply the order passed by the Honorable Court 25 1990.
At the request of the counsel for the appellant, posed this case on Tuesday by the last interviews.
Passover case item 23, second appeal 2 of 2023.
Yes, have you seen that?
Point number 3 is gathering losses. They are all related.
They are all related.
Same time.
Okay, essay number 2 of 2023. Notice was issued in IE number 5154 of 23 upon respond number 1 to 61. As per office note, respondent number 19 has expired. Since the notice was issued way back on 2/8/2023, accordingly the proceeding has awaited in connection with respondent number 19. The notice upon respondent number 17 and 18 remain unserved. As they are not residing in the given address. Counsel for the appellant prays for and is granted time till 15th of January 2026 to take appropriate steps for service of notice through speed post on respondent number 17 and 18 at their present and correct address, or to file an appropriate application seeking substituted service of notice to entry. Option is yours. Respond number 1, 3, 10, 11, 23, 27, 29, 30, 34, 41, 47, 51, 54 and 60 have been served personally. Notice is accepted as validly served. Respond number 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15 and 16 has been served through respondent number 3. The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that they are all belonging to the same family. He submits that the notice be accepted as validly served. Considering the submissions, the notice upon respondent number 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15 and 16 is accepted as valid. notice upon respondent number 12 has been received by respondent number 11. कौन है 11 इनका?
Father.
Ravin Surin is the father of respondent number 12. The learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that the notice be accepted as valid. Considering the submissions, notice upon respondent number 12 is accepted as valid. Respondent number 21 and 22, the counsel for the appellant has submitted that the notice upon respondent number 21, 22, 24, 25, 26. (28) (31), 32 and 33, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39, 40, 42, 43 and 44. (45, 46, 48, 49, and 50. 52 and 54, 53, 56, 57, 58, and 59 have been served, have been received by their close family members, correct? He submits that the notice be accepted as valid. Considering the submission, the notice upon the requested respondents is accepted as valid. So far as respondent number 61 is concerned, he is the Deputy Commissioner Jamtara. The notice has been served to the office clerk. The notice upon respondent number 61 is accepted as valid. Okay. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that. आपको कब तक का टाइम दिया? 16, 15 तक का टाइम. स्पीड पोस्ट से करेंगे, ठीक है? रिक्विजिट्स अंडर स्पीड पोस्ट. कहाँ के हैं सब?
जामताड़ा.
पहले कैसा था नोटिस? ऑर्डर प्रोसेस था. नोटिस थ्रू स्पीड पोस्ट करें. Office to track speed post delivery holds its case on 5th of February. On that वो तो हम लिखा नहीं, अपडेट कर ही गया है. करेंगे अपना जो करना है. अगर सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है तो करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे तो अपडेटेड चलेगा. और 2 के अगेंस्ट में है सब्स्टिट्यूटेड सर्विस ऑफ नोटिस, वो भी प्लेन फ्री है. ध्यान देंगे, ठीक है? That is in connection with respondent number 17 and 18. 17. Next is the DT.